CaityB back in the building with yet another freaking video, y'all. You know this is a get to know me, and thank you to you, I Created Beautifully, for suggesting for me to do this video. Yeah, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on this watermark right here, y'all, or just the subscribe button below. Don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button to keep posted for my new videos coming out, or recent videos, or whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment any suggestions you guys have, or videos you guys want me to do, or what you thought of this video or any other of my videos, and what you guys want me to work on and stuff like that. Alright, and also guys, don't forget to check my 19 things about me video right here that I did like maybe a couple months ago. It's just 90 facts about me, y'all. Go check this out before you click on this video. Okay, let's get into it. My name is Caitlin, y'all. This is my name. I was born in November 1999, so I'm a 99 baby. I'm 19 years old. Yeah, my star sign is Scorpio. I was born and raised in South Auckland, New Zealand. Most of my childhood life has been spent in Otara before I moved to Otahu, and before I moved here to Melbourne, I stayed in Papatoi. I was asked on Instagram what I was like being raised or being brought up in South Auckland. Being brought up in South Auckland is sort of hard to explain. It's like a beautiful experience. It's very humbling, honestly. Just the culture, the vibes, like, I don't know, you can't replace something like that, you know what I mean? It's something I can't really explain. Like, if you're brought up in South Auckland or whatever, you know what it's like, you know the feeling. What is it like being an only child? I was also asked out on Instagram, what's it like being an only child? Now and then it gets lonely. A lot of the time I love that I have my personal space. I don't have as much worries, I guess, as a person that would have siblings. It's totally normal. It's like talking to a wall. I love talking to the wall, guys. What is my favorite color, y'all? My favorite color, can I talk about this this drink, y'all? This drink, y'all. So I got this for free yesterday, but this is not my favorite drink. My favorite drink is vanilla milk tea or brown sugar milk tea at any like cha time, you know, bubble tea milk place. But yeah, I have to have pearls times 1 or times 2 if they're really, like, you know, really stingy. But yeah, so my favorite color would have to be like forest green, like just green, yellow and orange. I love those colors. Love those colors, y'all. And my favorite brand is Puma, y'all. My favorite sports, my favorite sport is volley. I love volley. What is my favorite and worst subject? My favorite subject always will be music, y'all. Music is my favorite subject. I love music with all my heart. And my worst subject would have to be like history or science. Like, I love science, but science, like, it has to be taught in a way that's like really interesting. Yeah, I'm one of those kids that really have to be like intrigued and stuff to really memorize stuff, because my memory is really bad, so history would have just like been bad for me either way. So my favorite food, I'm gonna say all my island foods, okay? So I love filet mokengi, filet B. So filet mokengi is fried pumpkin and lamb, really good. I had some last night. I love filet B, which is fried peas and basically lamb. I love taro. Oh, taro and coconut cream. Oh my gosh, don't even. Delicious. I love kokolesa, which is rice with cocoa. Yeah, just hard to explain. And kopai, which is in English is doughboy, I guess. I love that. Like, love it to the T. My favorite music genre, y'all. I love my funk. My favorite artist and song, my favorite artist slash band slash singer, whatever, would have to be Remy. One of my favorite songs is from them. My favorite songs are from them. So my favorite song from them is My People. I love that song to the T. What is my favorite ice cream flavor? My favorite ice cream flavor is cookies and cream all day, every day, or the chocolate cookies and cream. Yeah, like the coffee flavored ones, I love that. The green tea ice cream flavor, I love that. Oh my gosh, my favorite movie of all time is Gran Torino. I love Gran Torino so much. It makes me cry every time I watch it. I watch it every time like it's my first time, honestly. My favorite show at the moment is The Handmaid's Tale. Season 3 is coming out like this month, next month, I'm hoping. One item I cannot leave home without is my phone. And why? Because honestly, my phone is the way of my mum knowing where I am. Like, you know, everywhere I go, I always contact my mum. Like where I'm at, if I'm at a train station, I'll say I'm stopping here. If I'm at a shop, I'm stopping here. You know, it's just a good way to sort of like give your parents a peace of mind, y'all. Like sometimes, I don't know how your kids don't notify your parents where you are, you know? I hate worrying my mom all the time. That's why most of the time I just stay home. Morning person or a night owl? Oh, it depends. Like in the morning when I wake up for work, I'm like, oh, I hate it so much. But once I get to work, I'm like, boom, boom, bang. Like I'm a morning person when it comes to like work, but when it comes to house chores, I'm like, or when it comes to when I want to go places, I'm just like, yeah, that's me. I'm one of those kids. But I don't know, sometimes I feel like I'm a morning person, but when I'm a night owl, I think I'm a night owl. I like staying up late, but then I don't like staying up too late because these bags are just getting worse, y'all. Like, let's go shopping with these bags, y'all. Let's just go to Samoa with this. I didn't even need to put no clothes in the bag. Let's just take these, you know what I'm saying? I'd have to say I'm a night owl for sure. Okay, so strangest thing I believed as a child, honestly, because I didn't have any siblings. My family didn't really tell me about college and stuff like that when I was in primary. So in primary, I used to think that once I finish primary, that's it for me. Like there's no more school after that. I get to work and stuff like that. Yeah, like, you know, that's what I thought. And I even asked my mom and my friends, like, so when we finish school, that's it, like no more school after then? They're like, yeah, we finished. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do with my life? And then I ended up going to intermediate and college. I think I only found out like when I was in year like 4 or 5 or something. So that's one thing I really believed as a child. I don't know the words to the Australian anthem. I don't think I will ever really learn, but I tried to. Like, Australia's won and wise, rejoice, for we are young and free. That's all I know. And what a journey, treasure, but my nicknames that I've had over the years is Cat, Pussy. The reason people called me Pussy was because cat, and cat in Samoan is a pussy. I've had a cat, Pussy, Katie, Mouse. My uncle calls me Mouse. I had a lot of nicknames. I just cannot remember, y'all. I used to be a big fan of horror movies until I realized that a lot of them were based on a true story. So no thanks. I ain't trying to get myself into that stuff. So I'm not really a fan of horror movies because of that reason. Because I get really as soon as I hear a noise, I'm just like. My favorite childhood memory is just playing outside, to be honest. Being a kid, being adventurous. Like me and my neighbor who was like maybe like 4 years younger than me. She was really young. We used to climb trees, get ladybugs. We used to play cooking shows with the sticks and the leaves. And I'll get a hiding when I used to go inside and grab the real knives just to cut the leaves. I just, like in New Zealand, you see a lot of kids play outside. Here, I reckon it's too dangerous for kids to play outside because a lot of the things happening. Some really creepy people out here, y'all. My feet size, like, oof. A lot of people get shocked when they hear about my feet size. I am a size 5. In my dreams! Yeah, no, I'm actually like my feet size go from, depends on the shoe, like in Chucks, I'm a size 8. I think that's men's, I'm not too sure. Size 8, but you know, women's, I'm a woman, size 10. Size 10 and a half to 11. Like, it just depends on the shoe. Like with Puma, I'd be size, I think I'm size 11 or something. Size 10, I don't know. It always depends on the shoe. If I were to get a girly shoe, I would probably have to go size 11. I love to sing. I love to sing, and something that I wish I was really good at was dancing. I really wish I could dance. Like when I go to a party, like if I never go to parties, like if I were to go to like a work function or like hang out with like cousins from my auntie's side and stuff like that, I don't know, I just go all out. Like I dance like there's no tomorrow. Like I don't care who's looking at me. I love to dance, whatever the moves are. I don't care if I look like an idiot. I'm one of those people. I don't care what I look like. I just have fun. Who do I look up to the most? If it was family, it's always my mom. Always my mom, just my uncle and my auntie, of course. Like Auntie B, Uncle B, and my mom. My mom most of all. For people that are not my family, it would have to be my music teacher, Mrs. Harvard. Oh, Harvard, bro. My music teacher, Miss Harford, back in New Zealand. She inspired me so much. She always wanted the best for me, like, you know what I'm saying. Especially my English teacher here, she always pushed me to be the best I could be. She always saw potential in me. So thank you to Miss Butler too. I guess she's one of my inspirations. I can't really think at the moment. My career aspirations would be, I've always wanted to do something with social work, working with people, just like, you know, the kids in the community these days. It makes me really sad seeing how they are. Like, you know, a lot of families go through a lot of stuff, especially here in Melbourne, and I just really want to help them out. Somewhere I've always wanted to visit was, I'd say Alaska. For sure. I know my mom's always been wanting to go to Alaska to meet her brother there, his wife and kids, and I really want to meet them too. So Alaska would definitely be on the list. Okay, I was asked this on Instagram by one of the girls. Are you a city girl, Stallion, or Orjanae this year? I don't know what that means. I know City Girls is that song that everyone wows out about. Sorry guys, I don't really know about all the songs these days. I don't really listen to it. But since I don't know who Stallion is, but Janae, I'm guessing that's Janae Aiko. I'm just gonna go with Janae Aiko this year. So I guess I'm a Janae this year. If I could teach any subject, what would it be? Girl, you know it's music. You know it's music. I'll teach music any day of the week, any time, any place, anywhere. Let me start with short-term goals first. Short-term goals is to at least get like 1,000 subscribers on, you know, YouTube. Try and pump out videos every week, at least 2 times a week. Save up at least enough for me to start studying, get my life intact, you know. Yeah, just really get my life intact, get my learners, get a car, hopefully buy a taxi when it comes around. Hopefully I can get a car. We'll put that towards my savings for study, and yeah, just really provide good content for y'all. Yeah, sorry guys, I can't think of any other stuff to do for the get to know me video, but I hope it sort of gives you guys an idea of the type of person I am. I don't know what you guys really want to know about me. If you guys want to like a part 2, just type down questions of what you guys really want to know about me, and I'll do it, because I don't really know what people really want to know about me, honestly. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be getting some challenges again sometime soon. My mom's just been sick, so I've been putting off challenges, but challenges definitely involve more than 2 people, more than 1 person for sure. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and tofa soifu.